Hi, I'm Rob, I'm from Mull Vans, and in today's video what we're going to do is show you how to fit a snorkel, one of these snorkels, to a Peugeot Boxer, Ducato, Realy or a Ram in America variant of Vans. Let's do that now. Okay, so we've just opened the box and taken out all the contents. Obviously the snorkel itself comes with many different components, so just take all these out carefully, obviously all the different parts of the snorkel, and place them down. The snorkel itself inside comes with a template which allows you to put that to the vehicle's skin, enables you to line it up and drill all the relevant holes for it. Again, it comes with all the instructions, components and certificates, and all the different parts that you will need in order to assemble the component onto the skin of the outside of the van itself. So the first thing you're going to have to do when you want to fit the snorkel is obviously open the bonnet and disconnect the offside light, which is just a literal cable in the back here, and then there's two screws forward of here, and then literally just slide the light out and pull out, remove the headlight. So you're going to need that removed so you can get into this side of the panel to be able to fit and drill the holes for the snorkel. As you can see there, we've removed the main headlight from here, which allows access into this area here for drilling onto the side of the skin of the van there, and in here. So what we've done, what comes with the kit as well, is this template, which needs to be lined up with this line here and across here, which allows you to drill into these areas here. So with this, to drill this hole, you're going to need a 76mm drill, circular drill bit.
Don't be shy, just get straight in. Put a bit of this on if you've got any. You don't really need it like, but we're going to put it on. Because we've got it.
As you can see now, we've literally just drilled the main hole and the 3 holes for the screws to go into, and then we've just tested and mounted the actual snorkel to the skin of the van. See, it fits perfectly. As long as you use that template, it will align it up with the edge of the van all the way down. Looks pretty cool to me. So all we're going to do now is get the mounting plate for the top fitted up here, and then we can attach all this and screw it into the back of the skin of the van, and that's the snorkel attached. So what we've done so far is we've obviously drilled the hole for the snorkel to go into, the 3 mounting points here, and that's where the breather pipe goes into the engine compartment. At the top here, we've just marked these 3 points, because what you get with the kit is a mounting bracket which will fit to the side of the vehicle there, and obviously these two would be screwed into the snorkel, so it binds it to the vehicle skin.
Like that, I think. This is a 5mm. Put a bit of Loctite on them.
So as you can see now, we've completely fitted the snorkel to the outside of the van. Looks really, really good, really impressive. Makes a massive change to the van. So we've just removed this plate which was originally fixed into there. With the package comes this plate, that goes underneath.
Underneath it?
Yep. So we installed the air intake pipe to the snorkel inside. This comes all the way down. And then inside there, the original air intake used to come down. You have to cut that section off there, and then that allows this part to then fit to the top.
Just like that. Just like that. Yeah?
Yep.
Right. Set some.
The main thing is, in the instructions, it's not very clear. Looking online at a number of other videos, they've all recommended that you cut that off. This will allow room for the headlight to go back in and not interfere with this.
Really?
So we've fitted now into here where we obviously cut that off. Jubilee clips that on, that comes through into the snorkel area here, and obviously we've replaced the main headlight, which all works, all connected back up, everything works. So that is the snorkel fitted. So that is the snorkel fitted to the Peugeot Boxer, Ducato, Realy, all that sort of stuff. Looks pretty impressive.